This is the heaviest shorebreak wave in California, and I'm going to swim out with my camera to see what I can capture. My name is James Ferrell, and I'm a surf photographer at the Wedge. What's up, guys? Today we're headed down to the Wedge to do some surf videography and photography. Gonna hop in the water. I checked the cams already and it looks like it's firing. The side wave looks like it was going off. There's currently some sun out in the sky, so I'm super stoked about that, because usually what happens in the summer is that there's a lot of gloom out because we're so close to the coastline, so there's no sun. But yeah, it looks epic in terms of lighting right now, and hopefully the waves provide. But yeah, we're gonna head on down there, probably take about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll catch you guys on the beach and give you an update. All right, we made it down to the Wedge. Gonna go scope the waves, see if it's any good. But yeah, I think it's gonna be sick for video, so we'll see. You know, it's always a good sign when you can hear the waves. I kind of hear the waves, but we shall see. All right, it's going off. There's some firing sets on the cider. Gonna suit up, get our camera gear, and get out there. Hopefully show you a set real quick. That is the Wedge. All right, we got the camera all set up, ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and put our wetsuit on, and we'll see you out in the water. All right, gonna go shoot some waves. We're testing out this Insta 360, bro.
Oh, dude, that'd be sick.
Yeah, it's gonna get like third person.
Yeah, that'd be super cool.
Yeah. The boys, we got a score. Got a score, bro. We got the Insta 360. Trying the
We're gonna link. Pack some, bro.
Yeah, do it. All right, we're hopping in the water here down at the Wedge. Waves are firing, as you can see right there. Oh, but side wave is going off right now, so hopefully we link up with one of the surfers, bodyboarders. But yeah, we'll see. getting out of the water. It got way too windy, but that was well, it lasted. Alright, we just got out of the water at the Wedge. The waves were firing. It was so sick. Definitely linked up with a couple of my buddies on some shots. But anyways, the wind went super on shore. As you guys can see right now, pretty much turned to nothing. But yeah, that was an epic session, and stoked to check out the clips. I'm sure you guys have seen them, but yeah, again, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of these surf videos. Let me know what you want to see next, if there's any specific spots you want me to go to, but yeah.